Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek AI from the very beginning. Even if you've never used it before, this guide will help you understand everything step by step. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official DeepSeek website. Once the website opens, click Start Now and sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. After signing in, you'll arrive at the DeepSeek chat interface. On the left side, you'll see the New Chat button along with your previous conversations. If you want to start a fresh conversation, simply click New Chat. In the middle of the screen, you'll find the message box. This is where you type your questions or prompts. After typing your question, press Enter or click the Send button to receive a response from DeepSeek. Above the message box, you'll notice 3 AI modes: Instant, Expert, and Vision. Instant mode is the default option and is perfect for everyday tasks like asking questions, writing content, summarizing text, or getting quick explanations. Expert mode is designed for more detailed and advanced responses. If you need in-depth explanations or help with complex topics, this is a great choice. Vision mode allows you to upload an image and ask questions about it. Just click the attachment icon, choose an image from your computer, and type your question. Below the message box, you'll also find Deep Think and Search. Turn on Deep Think when you want DeepSeek to spend more time analyzing your request and provide a more thoughtful, detailed answer. Enable Search if you want DeepSeek to search the internet for the latest information before answering your question. Whenever you want to begin a completely new conversation, simply click the New Chat button on the left, and that's it. You now know the basics of using DeepSeek AI, including how to ask questions, switch between AI modes, upload images, use search, enable DeepThink, and start new chats. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.